Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change your age on TikTok. To report a problem or request to change your age on TikTok, make sure to follow these steps. Firstly, open the TikTok app. Once you're in the app, go to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines from the top right corner. After that, choose the settings and privacy option from here. Once you're in the settings, scroll down, then tap on report a problem. Now from here, choose the account and profile option. After that, tap on editing profile. It will show you a drop-down menu of different profile features. Then go back and tap on report a problem again. Choose the no option from here. After that, you can describe your problem here. For example, I will write down, I want to change my age on TikTok. Then tap to submit the report. Please note that TikTok has policies in place to ensure user safety, and there might be limitation on how frequently you can change certain account details, including your birthday. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and share your comments or questions down below.